Welcome to DXtrade, the cutting-edge multi-asset trading platform built for retail and professional traders, offering advanced charting, lightning-fast execution, and a sleek, intuitive interface. In this video, we will take a look at graphics on DXtrade. The quantity of graphic elements available on DXtrade is vast, so we will only cover a few in this video and show you how to launch and manipulate them. Simply click on the Drawings icon, and you may scroll down to see everything on offer. Or, on the left side of each chart, you may scroll through the same icons, or click the double chevron to expand the column for a full view. One of the most basic graphics is the price line, which is critical for plotting key levels of support and resistance. Whenever you launch a graphic element, a settings pop-up appears, which can be moved around. Basic configuration options include line thickness and dashed lines, color change, opacity, and settings. For example, you may display the price and the price scale or hide it. Of course, you may restore defaults if need be. If you want to move any graphic, simply mouse over, and when you see the black circles, you may move it. If you want to modify any setting on any graphic, just mouse over and click on the graphic, and the pop-up will appear. You may lock any graphic, making it impossible to move until it is unlocked. Once a graphic element has been configured, these settings will remain the same for this graphic launched on this chart, even if you change symbols. If you change charts or workspaces, the graphic will be launched in its default configuration. Another important graphic is the trend line. Many graphics will give you a starting point, and you will need to plot the end point by dragging and clicking to set. The configuration is similar to the price line. But when you click Settings, however, you will see a new array of options such as price labels, on-off, left and right. A variety of other options can be displayed in a measure box, and its position can be altered. And lines can be extended to the left and the right. You may adjust the position of any graphic element by dragging the black circle. As an added bonus, you may activate the magnet, which will have points jumping from low, open, close, and high points on each candle. For smoother manipulation, just deactivate the magnet. You may also activate Drawing Mode, which allows you to extend many graphic tools. Once you have finished a line, shape, or channel, simply click on the last black circle and continue drawing. And the synchronized drawing icon allows you to mirror graphic tools in multi-chart mode. For example, this extends the flexibility of drawings when viewing multiple time frames of the same symbol. Many elements have colored backgrounds and multiple adjustment points, such as the rectangle and the oval. After you set the color and line thickness, you may adjust the background or hide it. You may right-click on the chart to see your recent drawings. Click on any one to launch it. Hide Drawings does just that. And Clear Drawings will erase all graphics from this chart. Another important graphic for your trading may be the Trend channel, and you have the usual configuration options. Of course, each graphics pop-up includes a delete icon, or you may simply select and use the delete key on your keyboard. You will find Fibonacci retracements lower down the list, along with quite a variety of other Fibonacci elements. If you wish to see this or any item higher on the list, simply click the star, and you will find it at the top of the column. Fibonacci retracements, for example, can be set up in the usual way And like any graphic, you may configure style and colors. You may display labels and prices in various locations, and you may alter or hide various Fibonacci levels. And you may extend lines to the left and right. Any graphic that includes text can be modified by font size, color, and background color. There are many other graphics available, and we encourage you to explore others like date and price range, icons, and price label, which locks to each candle horizontally, and with the magnet mode, open, high, low, close vertically. Again, feel free to explore all the DXtrade graphics and their configurations. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this DXtrade video series and your new exciting trading journey.